Secrets of outdoor cooking recipes. Outdoor cooking is an activity that can be taken up on all occasions. Family reunions, dinners, weekends, get-togethers, you name it and it just fits in. A romantic dinner with your spouse with a barbecue sounds just so nostalgic. All the food lovers love to do this activity with the family and friends and keep experimenting new recipes every time. These simple and quick recipes turn out in great meals is handled with little care. The idea is to prepare good, economical, delicious and lightweight meal within no time. We all must have had hot dogs, hamburgers and chicken in the barbecues. Here are some new and fresh ideas to tickle your taste buds in the next barbecue session. 1. Grilling is the most popular way of cooking outdoors. Creatively grilling fish, chicken, lamb chops, steak and vegetables can make lovely meals. 2. The key is, season the grilled items well. 3. Plan easy and tasteful menu to serve to your guests. This would make your job simpler as the cook. And as is often said, the cook's mood always reflects in the food. 4. Make use of the right cooking equipments like deep fry kits, cooking grills, and cast iron griddles in order to make your recipes more effective. This would also simplify your job of cooking. 5. Among grilled dishes, souvlaki mocharicio is a known beef dish. 6. Souvlaki hoireño is another cherished pork dish. 7. Mixed grilled souvlaki contains lamb, chicken and pork. It is prepared within a very short duration with the outdoor cooking grill. 8. Among spicy and crispy choices, try beer battered chicken strips, fried buttermilk chicken, simple southern fried chicken, fried pork chops. These can easily be prepared with a deep frying kit. 9. Outdoor cooking recipes also include pie iron and foil recipes. These are served with desserts, salads, soups and stews. 10. The outdoor cooking recipes constitute all sorts of light and heavy meals. Baked potatoes and kebabs are often the hot choices. 11. For the kids, the most incredible recipes are meatball sandwiches, hot sandwiches, peanut butter fudge sandwiches, and the list is endless. 12. Good barbecue meals can indeed gift great casual evenings for all your friends and family. 13. Test your creativity. Try innovative and new recipes to surprise your guests. 14. Presentation of the food makes a lot of difference. So after cooking well, make sure to set the right mood and serve in an impressive manner. Home Cooking Network, an array of recipes. Home Cooking Network, a Pandora box for all the foodies. A never-before array of recipes or a rare collection of specialties from all over the world. It can serve all sorts of individual needs that are vegetarian, quick and easy, traditional, etc. Ranging from gourmet to the simpler ones, these recipes can be broadly divided into 4 heads. These are as follows. 1. Appetizers. Unlike the regulars such as bruschetta or deviled eggs, Home Cooking Network offers the individuals an opportunity to try various cuisines. Chinese, Mexican, French. The list is amazing. Spicy appetizers. For spicy pre-meal snacks, check out the Mexican and Chinese appetizers. E. Soups. Soups make great appetizers and a tribute to quite a healthy meal. If beef and chicken recipes do not tickle your taste bud being a vegetarian, look out for the vegetable soups such as carrot soup. For playing off the league, try your hand with the French onion soup. E. Salads. Whether appetizers or a meal, salads are just perfect for all of us. And for the lazy ones, these are far more simpler and quicker recipes to opt from. They take almost no time. Don't believe me? Try potato salad or pasta salad. For some adventure and experience, go for the Mexican salad. 2. The main course. Do you wanna be different this time? Choosing the main course could be rather hard, but with Home Cooking Network, the choices are endless. Beef in place of the plain steak. Try some corned beef or beef casserole, or the beef stroganoff. E. Chicken recipes. Enlist things as simple as the grilled chicken to something special like the low-carb recipes and the chicken cordon bleu. 3. Traditional home cooking. This can be defined in many ways as per one's own perception. Home Cooking Network consists of many recipes that can be used as main course, appetizers, desserts or just simple snacks. These recipes are representatives of different cultures like Polish E, Kosher E, German IV, Indian V, Mediterranean Vi, Filipino, etc. 4. Desserts. Desserts are surely delicious end to the meals. Home Cooking Network believes in trying different recipes that are new, uncommon and easy to cook. Greek, Mexican and Filipino desserts form a major chunk of the list. E. Alongside it lists all-time favorites like pies. Among pies, Home Cooking Network contains recipes for key lime, fruit-filled and pecan pies. 5. Vegetarian special. Among vegetarian cuisines, Home Cooking Network offers various new and exquisite recipes like pasta dishes new recipes for asparagus and sweet potatoes Cajun cooking IV. Vegetarian meatloaf 6. Others to tickle your taste buds further. Home Cooking Network's recipes include many other categories to serve any purpose you have on mind, that is a festive treat, pleasing a cherished guest or thanking a friend, or simply sharing a relishing moment with the family. These recipes might be time-consuming, but the time is all the worth. Its rich culinary list includes Cajun gumbo sweet breads, and IV collard greens.